Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the bolts and we're going to mount the bottom track to the post track. Now remember, before we put the post track on, we laid the bottom track on the ground, and that's so that we have plenty of clearance to be able to put the bottom track up onto the post. First we're going to put it hand tight, and then we're going to attach it with a socket wrench. We don't want to tighten too tight because it'll leave an indentation here, so make sure that it's good and snug without being overly tight. Notice on each of the top and bottom tracks you have a 1/2 inch slot that gives you a full 1 inch of forgiveness where your post alignment is whenever you install the post.